So we're hiking out to Badger, and we did not expect all this snow. We're gonna go catch some fish anyway. This actually looks really nice.
Yeah.
We keep on gaining elevation, and it gets even more snowy. We're coming up on Woodpecker Lake. Super pretty lake, but it only gets to like 3 or 4 feet deep in the middle, so if there are any fish in here, they're not very big. Oh, check that out. Some fresh rabbit tracks in the snow. Finally coming up on Badger. You can see it through the trees right there. The rabbit hopping along. Here we are. It should not be this snowy, but it's pretty cool. We'll probably just fish from the shore. The snow is really coming down now. Oh, I just got a bite. Oh, I got another bite. Come on. Come back. Steen got a bird's nest first cast, so I'm taking his fishing spot. Really hope I don't slip right here. Oh, I'm good. Yeah, all this. Oh! I was just about to say, all this snow is really melting off the trees now. I just got nailed. Dude, I think we're gonna have to raft out. Still think I'm gonna pack raft out, but my toes got cold. I'm gonna warm them up, then I'll blow up the raft. Getting out the pack raft. Now bottom. Oh man, okay. And we're off. It's kind of funny, this is the first pack rafting trip out here this year. And it looks like winter, but it's actually the end of June. Really hope I don't go into the water. Oh, I just got a bite. Come on, come back. There we go. Oh, he came off. Going back out on the raft again. There we go. You know, rafting in the snow feels kind of crazy. But again, we are into summer right now. So this snow is kind of random. And if I end up in the water, I can get back to the fire and warm up miserably, but still. Oh wow, the water is actually warm in comparison to the air, the snow and all this. It's crazy. These might be the craziest conditions I've ever fished in. Oh, I'm finally hooked into a fish. Oh, I missed it. There we go, got it in the net. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna lie, I had like totally given up hope. We've been fishing for hours. Oh man, that feels good. Pretty good sized brook. Caught in the most awful conditions. Made it back to shore. Just gonna warm up for a second. Oh, it's cold out there. Well, I got the fish all cleaned up. I think we're just gonna head out because these conditions are actually pretty brutal. We were gonna stay and do a catch and cook, but it is just non-stop snowing at this point, and we are just kind of huddled around the fire. So I'm gonna bring this home and cook it.